Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy Bitcoin through the Revolut app. This app you can see here, but first of all I want to tell you that this is not a purchasing advice. You have to do your own analysis of what is the best for you and only spend the money that you can allow yourself to lose, okay? This is my advice. To be honest, I have no idea about this market. I just gonna teach you how to do it. Don't make me responsible of your actions, okay? Thank you very much. So now, let's go to the Revolut account and you have to update if you haven't, and as you can see, my main account, I have 85 euros. So also you have to have any certain amount of euros, the amount you want to spend to buying cryptos or Bitcoin, okay? So now if you have updated the Revolut app, down here you can see an option that it's named crypto. So just click on that, and as you can see, my crypto portfolio is the following. I have 665 euro right now. As you can see, the market is fluctuating very fast, like now it's 8 cents, now 9 cents. It's going very quickly, very fast. Be careful with that, okay? My portfolio is composed by Polkadot, Cardano, Snapchat, that all of them are right now March 11 going rocket sky. But we are here to learn how to buy, so just click on the trade button just here and trade. You can find here any cryptocurrency you want to buy, okay? But in this case we're gonna buy Bitcoin that is in 66,000 euros. That is a lot. I think its historical record is right now, I'm not sure, but okay, let's click on that Bitcoin. And so simple here. Okay, let's say in 6 months, which one? 6 months is almost the top. In 1 year is also the top. In the historical, yes, we are in the historical Bitcoin price record, 66,000 euro. Oh my god, this is a lot. So okay, how to buy it? Just very easy. Hit the blue button where it says buy, okay? And here it says you have 85 euro. How many bitcoins you want to buy? Okay, so I want to spend, just for example, 25 euros. And 25 euros is 0.00035,149 bitcoins. So, okay, I want to spend 25 euros on Bitcoin. I agree. So, review order. And it says amount 25 euros. The price, as you can see, is changing each moment. So now in exchange I will gonna obtain these bitcoins, but as you can see the market is so crazy, so it's changing in every second. And the fees, how much is the fees? Like this amount of bitcoin, if we click in the information, is about 1 euro and 50 cents more or less, okay? 150 cents to make this operation. So when you are ready, just hit confirm order, don't look back, and you bought Bitcoin for 25 euro. And as you can see now, if I go back again, in my portfolio I add Bitcoin that now I bought for 25 euro and now I have 23. So I'm starting losing right the moment I have bought the Bitcoin. And this is the process you have to follow to buy Bitcoin. I think it's very easy, simple. If you want to know how to declare, how to make the statement of these taxes, I'm gonna make another video. You can check it there later. So happy buying Bitcoins and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.